this happens to me. Yeah. So the funniest thing that happens to me is investors will reach out so like one of the things as a startup founder is that like people see, okay, this person was an executive at this company, now they're starting a company, so let's learn more, and it might be something interesting for us. And so when investors reach out, you can tell that there's a very wide spread. So there are some investors who, I mean, they have done all of their homework. I got one email that person was able to articulate to me the insights around the business to almost the same level of descriptiveness and granularity that I would do it. And it was impressive. Okay. It was extremely impressive. And so that stuck with me. And my opinion of that investor is extremely high because of that. Right. On the other hand, I have people who email me who spell my name wrong and like, or they don't even get the company name right, or they don't like take the 20 seconds it would take to figure out what the company name is. And that's, I mean, like why would anybody reply to that, right? So yeah
I'm really hoping I spelled your name right in our last email. I'm sure I did, but
no you did
for the longest time I would actually like write emails and then I'd be like, oh no, did I screw up the name? And I'd go back and like I'd like wake up and like, did I put the name wrong? Because it's like if you get someone's name wrong, they hate it. Like it can be funny if you do it in the right ways, but yeah, it's pretty bad. And I'm glad that investors are, you know, at least some of them are being respectful in terms of like wanting a partnership. Did you? I don't know if we can talk about this, but did you end up like having a partnership with that investor that was thoughtful, or are they just kind of like an advisor?
No. I just thank them. So usually what'll happen is when investors reach out, honestly, most of the time I don't actually have the time to reply because like basically the question to me is, okay, what is the outcome of this interaction, right? I'm not like at the time that most of these people were reaching out, it was like, I'm not currently looking for funding, right? We're already capitalized to the extent that we want to be capitalized. And so if I meet with this person, like what is the benefit of meeting with this person, right? It's kind of like that simple. And so I just like usually I don't even reply, but when somebody puts in that amount of thought into an email and then reaches out, it's like, okay, I at least want to make sure that I thank you for putting in this amount of thought. And then it actually makes it more attractive for me to want to reach out to that person to partner with them in the future when we actually do want to raise funding, right? So those are like the really important things is you just spend the 30 minutes doing the background and the homework, and it increases the likelihood that as an investor, your deal flow is actually good, right?